If you're looking for dog collars by Martha Stewart, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars by Martha Stewart. Number 1, Most Popular, by Martha Stewart Pets. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Martha Stewart Pets. Number 3. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Martha Stewart. Number 5, by Martha Stewart Pets. Find these dog collars by Martha Stewart at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dog collars by Martha Stewart ideas and items to explore, click the info circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.